Okay. All right. So this is assuming that you're already able to get into your WordPress dashboard and you kind of have an idea of your way around here. I'm looking in here and you do have a few products in here, so I'm assuming that you have a really good understanding of what's going on in here. So you have your WordPress and then you have your WooCommerce. So to get right into it, to make a variable product, kind of simple, but you go to Add Product. And there are a few details that you do need to make sure that you do. And for sake of just making a product, we'll just call it product. We'll just put that in there to kind of fill out the few things that you will need to fill out. So in here, this is one of the details that you need to keep be mindful of. You can change this from simple product to variable product, and you'll notice that when you change variable product or change most of these in here, you're going to get a different set of options. So simple product is, of course, simple product, something that you can sell, anywhere like a candy cane or a doll or something. Group product. A group product is more like, let's say, a six pack of cans of soda. Those are group products. Those are items that come together that normally as is a single product, but they are separated items. Then there's external or affiliate product. What that would suggest is that you do not have the physical product in your handle or your care. A lot of people tend to do that when they're just promoting other stores like Neiman Marcus or Sears, or if you're an affiliate of even us, you can have that be a product so that when an item is purchased, you get credit for it, so you get commission. So then, of course, there's variable product, and that's the one that we're going to want because it's not a simple product. It is a product that has variations to it, which you're looking to do. So the next thing we're going to do is go to variations. Excuse me, go to attributes. So we're going to add an attribute, and that attribute is, let's say in this case, it's going to be size. A lot of people tend to use size or quantity. So the values. So in this case, let's just say um, 10 ounce. So we'll put 10 ounce. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to separate the value by using the pipe key. So what that is on a Windows keyboard, when you hold down the shift key and the key above the enter key, you're going to notice that it is a backslash, which is the slash leaning to the left, but above that is going to look like two straight dots, very much like a colon, but they're a little bit longer. That's a pipe, so that's going to produce that. And then we'll have a 20 ounce, and then we'll pipe it again, and then we'll do a 30 ounce. All right. And you're going to want this to be visible on the page. And then we're going to now go to save attributes. So we want that saved. It's going to take a few moments because you are on shared hosting. So then we'll go to variations. That's going to scan for it. We'll go to add variation. And if you do have SKU numbers, you can enter that in. If you have quantity, you can add that in. You don't have to, but like I said, the ones that I'm filling out here are the ones that you're going to want to fill out. So the first variation that we're going to have is this one here. So we will do a price of, let's say, $5. And we'll do a weight of 2. And it's automatically going to go to pounds. We'll just go to add variation. And this one will be $10, and we'll do this add for. And I've done this a couple of times, so that's why you see that there. But you can do it in any amount that you want. And we'll just do this for the third one. Okay, so we have those there, and okay, you should see something in here, which then once again, it's those details. You gotta remember those details. So even though we have this visible on page, we have to use for variations because each one of these is that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just close this. Sometimes it really depends on how you want it to look on the page for the formatting, but we'll go ahead and do that there. Just make sure these two are checked. We'll go back to here. And yeah, you'll notice that these are here. So we have $5 in there. Close that. The $10 there. We're just doubling everything really. Alright, so now that we have all these here, alright, now once you do this attributes thing, make sure you save attributes because it'll save this portion. But variations doesn't have a button to save. What you would then do is you would publish. Now we'll just go ahead and view product. You didn't see it, but I right clicked and it goes to the product. So it opens up a new tab for me. So here we have test product, $5 to $15. If you choose an option, it'll show you $5 here for this 10 ounce, 20 ounce double, 30 ounce is triple that. So there you go with that. If you have any further questions, need any further clarification, or want to go on to another subject, feel free to send me the question via email, and I will send you or make you another video or answer that question there for you. Thank you very much, and you have a great weekend. Thank you.